Organizing special journal meeting as well as annual journal meeting. We are having with us President of the UCPMA, Harsimranjeet Singh Lucky. So welcome sir to the Sovera. And sir, what is the agenda of today's meeting?
First of all, good evening, everybody, all my members and dear friends. Well, today it's a big day. Today we have conducted two meetings. First, it was a special general meeting, and then after that, the meeting was completed in a very successful, positive way. After some time, we started annual general meeting, 57th annual general meeting. So, in special general meeting, the agenda was the extension of the date of elections. You know, this association every year, every 2 years, the elections are done, and it is deadline is 30th of August. And in these days, the temperature and the humidity levels is so high, and moreover, the rainy condition, the hot weather condition, it's very difficult for the members also and for the contestants also to go to meet the members. So it was decided in the managing committee that we want to extend this date. And today, the special general meeting, it was held, and I'm very pleased to say more than 90% of members, by standing and raising their hands, was positive by saying that we agree and we accept. Now this will go to the ROC, where the next process will start, and soon positively we'll get a good response according to this.
There was mere chaos also. Please explain what was that.
There are always, I am firm believer of that there should be opposition, but I'm a firm believer also they should at least understand what is the agenda, why they want to fight on a issue which is a betterment for the society, for the members. I am not doing for myself. I am doing for the team, for the association, for my members. But they have got only one motto by saying that we will only oppose whatever it is said good by the president or by his team. They are going to oppose. But it was nullified. They just have only 5-7% people. More than 95% people raise their hands.
Sir, if we talk about the cycle industry, you also mentioned while addressing the gathering that there is need of R&D center, and the UCPMA is fighting for a long time to get R&D center. So what are your plans further?
You know why I'm telling everybody to be united. When we will go stop for these small issues, then only I can conduct my role. These people are always after very small issues, but I damn care about all this thing. I am a positive guy. For this year, for this tenure, my plan is to give my team, my members, good R&D, and this upgradation of industry, new machineries. So for that, I'm going for take them for new exhibitions and even to conduct exhibition here also to make them mix with the OEMs. So that if we are making good things, they will show to the OEM. Then they can stop getting from abroad and using these products. So this is my role to get my industry to the next level.
Sir, at last, if you talk, what message you want to give to the cycle or parts manufacturer of Ludhiana that we should maintain the quality, whether it is regarding quality as mentioned by the members also?
Yeah, I tell you, quality standard are 101% to be maintained. And I tell you, QC, that in BIS is going to be in all the parts. It's going to be on the complete bicycle very soon. So stop making, unstandard things. And my only, suggestion and point is try to make the things good in a good way. Cycle has got a very good scope. It is increasing in the whole world, and we should not get depressed by this small issue of GST and all these things. The association will take care of all the things.
Thank you so much. So he is UCPMA President Harsimranjeet Singh Lucky, who briefed about the agendas of today's meeting, as well as mentioned that in the today's meeting, today's special journal meeting, it was decided that now the elections of UCPMA it will be conducted in the month of December, and he also said that UCPMA is working effectively to promote the cycle industry. So you're watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.